Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome to JDAI, or Jackson Digital Assets and Investments. I have an exciting and brand new high quality node or vault project to share with you today on the Blast network called ZAP, where ZAP is a community driven token launch protocol, and ZAP is the protocol of the future, giving founders, investors, and crypto enthusiasts access to the best tech to maximize token launch success. So this is a really interesting project that I'm invested in today with you. And the ZAP protocol consists of 3 layers, in which I will briefly discuss in this video. But due to the time sensitivity and being able to purchase these vaults at a very low cost of only $1,000, I'm going to only briefly cover these 3 layers. So if you go all the way to the bottom of the page, and you can see these 3 layers that I'm talking about. So the first layer is the ZAP Labs, and then the second layer will be the ZAP Launch, and the third layer is the ZAP Drops. Okay, so I'm going to cover these areas a little bit in more depth in my next videos that will be coming up in this series on the ZAP, because I really like this project. But basically the first layer of the project is called Labs. Okay, and this is basically, they have like a mission control, fair allocation, downside protection, different things you can read there. And then we also have the launch, and you can read those things there, the mission control, fair allocation, and lastly you can also look at the airdrops. Okay, but like I say, due to the time sensitivity of this video, I'm going to just get into showing you how to purchase these vaults. And in the next videos, I'm going to have more exciting content and more in-depth analysis of this project. And I'm going to also prepare some spreadsheets and things like that, so that you can make a really good high quality decision on whether you want to purchase the vaults or not. But currently the price of the vaults are at $1,000, and they are at their cheapest right now. And they're selling out quite fast, and this $1,000 price is for the first 10,000. So I want to get this to you as fast as I can. Okay, so now what I want to is to show you basically step by step on how to purchase the ZAP Vaults live, and I will be using a MetaMask wallet in this tutorial. So I encourage you to go out and get your MetaMask and get it set up if you don't have one, but this is probably the easiest way to do it. I'm not really for sure if any other wallets will be available to do this. Okay, so we're going to walk through several steps. So the first thing that you need is a referral code. Okay, in order to purchase a vault, you will need a invite code or a referral code. And if you look down in my description section below, I have left my referral code, and I welcome you to use it. Just simply copy that code and just be prepared to paste it in the referral code box when you make your purchase. Okay, so step 2 is we got to find the current cost of the vaults and determine how many you want to purchase. So the way we do that, if you see this link up here, is Vault. So we want to click on that link right here, and this will take us to the Vault page. Okay, as you can see right now, we have sold 8,616, and we have 1,384 vaults to sell before the next price step up. And if you scroll down here, right here is the price metrics, and this is something that you really need to pay attention to, because this is where you will determine the cost of each vault. As you can see right here, and this is something that's somewhat unique to this project, is that they only have 30,000 vaults available. If you look at the Gala nodes, they had 50,000 nodes. If you look at the Galaxis nodes, they have 50,000 nodes. So it's kind of like a theme of 50,000 nodes, but the ZAP project have a lot less. Okay, so a lot less supply, more demand, price increase. So if you look right here, it says early price for the first 10,000 vaults is 1,000 USDB, and that is the basically the stable coin on the Blast network. And if you look at this section right here, it says price the next 200 vaults will be 1,250. So that's a price increase of $250. Okay, so this is why you want to get in early. And then the next section right here, it says a price increase. So after they sell the 10,200, So that 10,201 will cost 1,250 plus $15, which will be 1,265. And then once it sells those 200, then it'll increase by $15 more for every 200 vaults until those whole 30,000 vaults are sold. And I will be doing a spreadsheet in the future, and so I'll break all that down. But like I say, due to the time sensitivity of this YouTube video, I want to just go ahead and get it out for you. Okay, so in my case, I did determine that the price is $1,000, and I'm going to purchase two vaults today. So that's going to be, I need two $2,000. Okay, and so we're going to have to use a bridge to bridge over ETH to the Blast network. So you're going to take into account also that you're going to need gas for the bridging process, and then you're also going to need some gas when you get on the Blast network to do a swap from your ETH to the USDB token. So just keep all that in mind. So I got plenty of, so I got my $2,000 in my wallet, and I got plenty of gas. So that should cover basically the bridging process and enough gas for the swap on the Blast network. Okay, so of course I got 2,955. So that's more than enough. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add the Blast network to your MetaMask wallet, and there are several different ways you can do this. But personally, I'm like a big fan of using chainlist.org. You can go over to chainlist.org like here, and then you could just type in Blast. You can connect your wallet, and then just go to this one right here is the correct one, where the chain ID is 81457, and you can just add that to your MetaMask wallet, and that's one way of doing it. But when you get ready to bridge, there's also an option where you can add it there also. Okay, so let's go back over here to our vault, the ZAP Vault page, and let's just do a quick refresh and let me see, because they've been selling all day quite fast, and it started yesterday actually on the 28th. Okay, so we get that time to refresh. So of course we got 1,379 to go. So we got quite a bit of time, if you see this video in time, to purchase one or two, how many of you want to purchase at $1,000. Okay, so the next thing you want to do also, you want to go to this page too. Also, this if you go to, I'm gonna leave the link in the description section below, but this is their at their basically like their GitHub, and it tells you how to purchase a vault, and you can read through these instructions and get familiarized with them so that you can make your purchase. But I'm just kind of stepping you through it a little bit more easier. So the next thing you want to do is go to the official bridge right here. It says to earn Blast points for the upcoming Blast airdrop, use the official Blast bridge. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video, is using the official Blast bridge. And basically with that one, you want to make, you want to understand that you're going to get some points for it. I know, it may be somewhat difficult to see that gas price close to $100 to do this bridge, but you got to take in consideration these Blast points that you earn may be worth more than $100. But if you do want to save on some money, you can save, as I say right here, you can bridge from a network different than ETH. You can use Rhino.fi. Okay, so let me just show you what that looks like. This is the Rhino.fi, and so you can use this bridge if you want to, go from a network other than ETH. You can use Arbitrum, Optimism, Scrolls, Starknet. So there's a lot of them here you can use if you want to use this option to bridge other than ETH. Okay. So let's go back to this page. So you just click on this link right here, official Blast bridge, and this will take you to the official Blast bridge right here. Okay, so basically the first thing you want to do is connect your wallet. Just make sure you're on the ETH. Let me make sure I'm on the Ethereum network. Okay, I am. Okay, and then just click on connect wallet, and I will be using MetaMask. And then it just says connect with MetaMask on this account. So just click that one, and then just click connect. and that should start connecting your wallet. Okay. Okay, it seems like they have some more options down here. You can bridge ETH or USDC. I didn't see that the last time. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna bridge over about 0.6. Okay, so right here you can see I got 0.828. That's the amount of ETH that I can bridge over. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Then they have okay, so they have basically three options you can bridge over. You can bridge over ETH, you can bridge over USDC, and you can bridge over USDT. Okay, so I'm gonna just be bridging over ETH. So I'm gonna bridge over 0.6, and that's gonna be about close to $2,100 or something like that. Okay, so we could just go ahead and click submit, and then we'll have to confirm in our wallet. That's what we want to do. Okay, so as you can see, the gas prices are pretty high, about $66. So we just confirm that, and I'm gonna basically be bridging over 2,200. That'd be all right. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this transaction to clear. Okay, and as you can see the check mark, it says the 0.60 is deposited to the Blast network. Okay, so we can look at let's change our wallet from the Ethereum network to Blast. Okay, let's see here. Okay, there we go. Okay, and just kind of be patient there because it may not show up like exactly, but as you can see right now, it is showing up as my 0.6 ETH, and I have 2,139.22. Okay, so the next thing we want to do, if we go over here, how to purchase. Okay, so we can go to, let's scroll down a bit here, and in step 4, you basically want to swap your ETH on Blast to USDB. Okay, so we're going to do that on the Thruster right here. So just click on that link, and that'll take you to the Thruster app. So that's going to be hit right here. So what I want to do now is I want to swap my ETH, and we want to select token. That's going to be USDB. Okay, this one right here. All right, and then we just want to say how much we want to. Let's see here. Okay, you want to make sure you leave some gas too. So we're going to do, I think 0.58 should be plenty. Okay, so we're going to do 0.58. Okay, so that's going to give me more than enough to purchase 2 vaults, and we could just do a swap. Okay, and then just click continue. And that's gonna swap submitted. Okay, of course, as you can see there, now I have 2,040 worth of USDB. Okay, I like to kind of err on the side of having more than enough. Okay, and we can close this window up. So now we have enough USDB. Now we can go straight over to the vault page and basically make a purchase. So let's go back over here to how to purchase. Okay, so basically we can go to the ZAP Vault page, and we can just click on this link right here, buy a vault. Okay, and so you want to connect your wallet, and we're gonna be using the MetaMask. Okay, and just click next and connect. Okay, and then just let's just sign in here. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to basically we'll be purchasing 2 vaults. Okay, and then so this is going to be my referral code right here. So just put just copy and paste copy my referral code in my description section below, and just put that referral code right here. Okay, and just make sure everything is correct. So what you'll pay and what you will get. So you'll basically want 2 vaults and two ZAP Vaults at 1,000 USDB each, and then you got a total right here of 2,000 USDB. Okay, so if everything looks good, then scroll down here and it just says complete my purchase. Okay, just click this link right here, and then that's going to take you back to your MetaMask. So the max is 2,000, so that's fine. And then just approve. It's about 46 cents on gas, so that's really cheap on the Blast network. Okay, so we just give that time. Okay, and then just confirm. So yeah, I'm sorry, the gas fee was $2.96. Okay, $3 is not bad, basically. And we just give that time to process our purchase. Okay, and then basically what you'll start doing is once you purchase your vaults, you'll basically start earning ZAP rewards and then all the benefits that go with it. Okay, and this is my referral code. Okay, and we got 2 vaults. So thank you basically for watching this video. And just basically this video, like I said, was made rather quickly, so you can get in early as possible. But please stay tuned because got more content coming on this particular project. So give me a like, comment, and subscribe if this video have added some value to you. And I will see you next time, and you have a great day.